Welcome to DealerSub, your complete dealership management system. In this demo, I'll walk you through how easily you can run your entire dealership from one simple, powerful platform built specifically for car dealers. DealerSub is designed to save you time, reduce manual work, and automate tasks like safety recall checks, MOT updates, and vehicle history verification, so you can focus more on selling. Let's jump straight into the DMS portal. Simply log in using your username and password. This is your main dashboard. On the left, you have the full menu, and in the center, you'll see a snapshot of your business, your available stock value, sold stock value, and a visual overview of your sales performance. At the top right is your company calendar, where you can manage appointments and test drives. And next to it, you'll see all your new notifications as they come in. We'll start with stock, the part of the system you'll use most often. On the stock page, you get a complete and real-time view of every vehicle in your dealership. At the top, you'll find quick filters to narrow vehicles. Below that is your stock table, with all the key information you need at a glance. And any missing essentials like attention grabbers. On the right, you'll see advertising toggles for each channel, allowing you to control exactly where each vehicle is listed, with a simple on-off button. Now let's add a vehicle. I'll click Add Vehicle, and a simple pop-up appears. All I need to enter is the registration number and mileage. We've also built in a smart safeguard. If the mileage entered is lower than the last recorded MOT mileage, the system will alert you and block the entry to prevent errors in real time. Once I click Get Vehicle Info, DealerSub automatically pulls all the key data for that vehicle, saving manual typing and reducing mistakes. Here you can also view a complete history report.
You'll see the road tax status, full HPI report, MOT dates, and mileage at each test. On the right, you have extended mileage records pulled from multiple trusted sources. At the bottom, there's a visual mileage history graph that makes it easy to spot inconsistencies or potential mileage issues before the vehicle goes live.
Now, let's open the vehicle we just added. At the top, you'll see the registration, make, model, and key details at a glance, along with the price badge and any alerts or warnings. Below that, you'll find the main tabs for managing the vehicle, and I'll walk you through one by one. Alright, so we're now on the Details tab. This is basically the main information page for the vehicle. Everything you need is right here. Things like the make, model, number of keys, doors, etc. Most of this gets filled in automatically when you add the vehicle, so you don't have to type all of it manually. But you can update anything at any time if needed. It just keeps everything accurate, tidy, and up to date. Let's move on to the Purchase tab. This section is where you record how much the vehicle actually cost you. You can enter the purchase price, any recon or prep costs, transport fees, auction fees, basically everything that went into getting the car ready. You can also add the purchase date and where the vehicle came from, like a part exchange, auction, trade purchase, or anything else. Keeping this filled in helps you track your true costs, so your profit calculations are always spot on later. And now we're on the SIV tab, which stands for Stock in Value. This just gives you a clear breakdown of what this vehicle is currently costing you. It automatically pulls the purchase price and any added costs, so you can see the total stock value for that unit in real time. It's a really handy way to keep an eye on your actual investment in each car, especially when you're cross-checking margins or planning pricing. On the Sale tab, we manage the sale details for this stock. Here you can enter the retail price, the price before discount, and other sale information. If you're connected to AutoTrader, you'll also see their price indicator and their 6-month price forecasts, helping you stay competitive in the market. This is the History tab, where you add all the background details about the car. You can add the service history, add the last service date, update the MOT expiry, and note whether it comes with 12 months MOT.
All MOT expiry and safety recall information is refreshed daily in the system, saving you time on manual checks.
Once you're done, just click Update to save everything. Alright, next we move on to the Check tab. Here you'll find the full Experian report, complete MOT history, and any mileage discrepancies identified in the VOSA records.
This shows you everything about the car's background, including whether it's ever been scrapped, stolen, or if there's any mileage discrepancy. All of these checks are clearly marked, so you can see the car's status at a glance.
You can also download the full report as a PDF if you need to share it or keep it for your records. Next, let's look at the media section, where you manage all your vehicle images.
I've uploaded a few photos here, and while the images are uploading, the system clearly displays the upload progress. You also have a fully built-in image editor that allows you to add ribbons, headers, footers, text, and stickers. Any stickers you upload will remain available for future use. You can add your company logo, you can resize the stickers or ribbons, change colors, or just play around to make perfect car photos. That's helping you create professional, eye-catching images that truly stand out. This means your adverts always look professional and consistent without needing a separate image manager.
Alright, so this is the advert specification section. This is where you write the main description for your car advert. You can type your own description if you want, but we've also made it super easy with our built-in AI description generator. Just click the generate, and the system instantly creates a clean, professional advert for you. And of course, you can edit it, add your own wording, or adjust anything you like. The same goes for Facebook. There's a separate AI generator that writes a shorter, social-friendly version for your Facebook listings. Down here, you've got the features list. Just tick everything the car has, like sat-nav, heated seats, parking sensors, and so on. And if a feature isn't listed, you can simply add your own with one click. So overall, this section helps you build a complete, polished advert quickly, with AI doing most of the heavy lifting and you keeping full control. Now let's open the config tab. This is where you manage stock adverts publication. In other words, where this particular vehicle will be advertised. On the left, we've got auto trader options. In the middle, you have your social channels, so you can quickly include or exclude the vehicle from your social campaign. On the right are your other portals and website. Each one is controlled by a simple toggle, so you can decide exactly where this unit appears, and you can change it at any time with a single click. Now let's take a quick look at how the vehicle appears on your website. The moment you add a car in the DMS, it syncs instantly to your site, complete with images, pricing, specifications, and features. This is one of our example dealer websites, and we have many other designs available for you to choose from. Every template is modern, mobile-friendly, and fully integrated with the DMS, so your stock updates automatically. And if you prefer something unique, you can also have a completely personalized website, tailored to your dealership's branding and style.
There is also an AI chat option that can be placed directly on your dealership website. This gives your customers instant support 24/7, whether they're checking stock availability, asking about finance, booking a test drive, or simply wanting your opening hours. The AI handles the initial conversation and then passes genuine inquiries straight into your DMS, so you never miss a lead, even when your team is off for the day. It improves customer service and takes pressure off your staff at the same time.
Let's get back to the portal. The Inquiries tab collects any leads or inquiries that come in for this specific vehicle, so your team can see conversations and follow-ups in one place without jumping between systems. DealerSub doesn't just manage stock, it also helps you communicate with your customers. Under Email Manager, you'll find email templates. Here you can design branded email and SMS templates using a rich text editor. You can insert logos, images, social media icons, and dynamic tags such as customer name, vehicle details, prices, and phone numbers. Once a template is saved, your team can reuse it whenever they send order confirmations, appointment reminders, finance updates, or service notifications, keeping your branding consistent and saving time on repetitive messages. Alright, next up is the ticket system. This is basically where you can reach out to us if you ever have a problem with the DMS or need help with anything. Just create a ticket, tell us what's going on, and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. It's the easiest way to get support directly from us. And then we have support requests. This section is for messages that come from your own website. So if a customer fills out your Contact Us form or sends an inquiry through your site, it will show up here. You can see all your customer messages in one place, keep track of them, reply them, and make sure nothing gets missed. Reporting is a crucial part of running a dealership, so DealerSub includes a dedicated reports section. Here you can see an example margin VAT report. At the top we can select a period and year, then click Apply to filter the data. The report lists each vehicle along with make and model, purchase date, and all other key information. You can also download this report as a CSV file for your accountant or for further analysis. This helps you stay on top of profitability and VAT compliance without juggling multiple spreadsheets. This is the company schedule section. Here you can set your availability for customers to book test drives, appointments, or visits. You can customize your timings for each day of the week. Just select the slots that suit you and update them anytime your availability changes. Once saved, these timings will show on your website, so customers can only book when you're actually available, making the whole booking process much smoother for you and your team. Finally, let's look at the PDI list, your pre-delivery inspection checks. When I open a PDI item, you'll see we break it down into areas such as body, exterior, glass, fuel filler cover, and more. Each check has a status that you can choose for, or once you're happy, you can mark everything as complete with the Complete All button. This makes it easy to prove that every vehicle has been properly inspected before it leaves your site. So that's a quick tour of the DealerSub DMS, from stock management, checks and images, through to advertising, communication, reporting, and PDI. DealerSub gives you a single, modern platform to run your entire dealership more efficiently. If you'd like to see how DealerSub can work for your business, please get in touch with us or book a demo, and we'll be happy to set everything up for you.